Hello friends, welcome to my How Do I Solve YouTube channel. Here, I am showing tips to delete and uninstall apps completely from the messaging app. To use the installed apps on your Messages app, open Message Apps and see the plus icon next to the type box. Tap on More to scroll and find the list of all installed apps on your iPhone. Here's GamePigeon app that I am deleting for your example. Here I am not showing the delete option, and just move or reorder the list by tapping and holding on the app name. That's a cool feature, but won't be any option to delete the app in the Message app. To delete this app, go to the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll to the Messages app in the list. See the iMessage apps option. Tap on it to see the all-installed app. To delete the app, tap the red minus button to uninstall it from your iPhone. Finally, click on Delete. Make sure deleting this app will also delete its data. Confirm with the Delete option. And that's it. Let's check the result. Now, the Messages app is not showing the GamePigeon app. If some time is stuck, then force close the Messages app and recheck the app uninstalled successfully. That's it. Hope you enjoyed the tips to remove iMessage app from your iPhone. For more help, comment me. Also, don't miss to subscribe, like, and share for more helpful videos.